With the Site Builder, you have complete control over your site files and assets. There's a tab called Files. When you click on it, it will have two options, My Files and the free library. The My Files is the setup of all the files that exist on your website. These are files that you would have uploaded to your site or you would have at some point used on your website via. You can also toggle to sort by A to Z and other options. You can also click on the View as a List, so you can view the items as a list by file name, know the file size, and also with the ability to know what the address to a file is. So if you ever wanted to link to it, you would know what the address it is to that file. You could even click on it to view it on a browser or copy the URL if you need to use it elsewhere. In addition, there's a free library. With the free library, we continue to add more and more assets. And these are free items that you can use on your site. You can use them for backgrounds, different elements, and so on. So for example, photos, there are plenty of different categories of images, and we continue to populate with more. Clip art, there's over a few thousand different types of clip art there that you can choose from, different categories, and so on. And with the library or the files, you can actually do is simply drag and drop, just like any content element, and place it on your website. For example, I have under my files, I will go to the thumbnail view. I would like to do is upload a file to my directory right now. So I click Browse for File to upload. And I will simply select the file from my directory, and I will upload it to my website. And there it is. It gives me the file name, and it was successfully uploaded to my site. I could click to preview it, or I could see it right here on my site. Now I can do is I can actually drag and drop this object to my page, and if it's an image, it will automatically prompt me for customization of the image, where I can fully adjust, crop, and do a number of different types of filters to my image. I could even rotate my image. I could do a flip horizontal and vertical. There is just plenty and plenty of different options here to be able to customize your images. Additionally, what you can do is upload any kinds of files or documents, and then you can also always go in from your text and content or images and apply links to those files. For example, if I wanted to apply a link when a user clicked on this image, I could click on the image, click the edit option, and I can actually go and link this image to a page that exists on my site, or let's say a file. So if I wanted users to be able to click on a file, and if there was documents uploaded, they will be able to select from them and link to them. I haven't uploaded any documents such as Word documents or PDF, and therefore it's not linking to it. And you can decide to open in the same or in a different window. So again, within a file library, you have full access and control over managing your assets, using the library, your own files, and so on. Additionally, when you go to in the content area to drag and drop images, you can select from the library. Or let's say if you were on the style and a background for an element, you will be able to go there and actually by selecting the option from library or web, you can actually access your file manager. And when you upload a file from anywhere, it automatically will get uploaded to your files, My Files directory. So in the future, should you like to go to other pages or come back, you can reuse these assets as many times as you like in different pages of your website or link to them. And that's the advantage of using the Site Builder. You have control not only over design, but also every aspect of your content and your website files.